Hello friends, welcome to Exoring Point with me Shilpa. As I hope that yesterday you have revised all the rules and regulations, whatever the rules have been written and you have revised, I am so happy and I am going to start today the segment of direct and indirect narration. If you have revised it very well, if you have learned it, if you have kept it in your mind, I think the day is not far when you are going to complete the direct and indirect narration segment without any complication. So friends, we start today the exercise and I'll tell you the variation, how to change direct into indirect narration. Now see the variation. Okay. So see direct indirect narration. Here is the sentence number 1. In sentence number 1 you will say, here is the name Stephen says. You have to be very attentive towards the name of female and male. Mean to say that girl and boy, whatever the name is, according to that we are going to make a change in the pronoun or in the first person according to second person, whatever is it. See, Stephen says, Stephens is the name of a boy, says I have to leave now. Okay, so pay attention towards Stephens. Here is I is first person, so first person will be changed according to the first person, and be attentive towards the use of tense. As Stephen says, it is in present indefinite. As per your rules, if reporting verb is in present or future, there will be no change in reported speech of tense. So I think there is no change of tense, only change of certain changes and person changes. So see, Stephen says, I have to leave now. Stephen says, and connect both parts by using that. That is here. Stephen says that he. How I is he? Because here Stephen's male, Stephen's is a boy, so we have to change he. And with he, it is singular, so we have to use according to he has. To leave, and now this is certain change, so we have to change now into then. Students, you have to be very conscious in the spelling of then. T-H-E-N, not T-H-A-N. Spelling will be T-H-E-N. Okay. I think you have got it perfectly. See the example number 2. Amanda says to me, you are my enemy. Amanda is a girl, says to me. Here says and here says to. As per the rules, it is changed into tells. So Amanda tells, says to tells me. Connect both by using that. That is same. Ab here is you. I first person, you second person. So the second person will have a change with the second number person. Okay. Second person will be changed to the second number person. This is the place, this is the format, this is the platform where students make a lot of mistakes. So I don't want to any space of errors in my segment. Okay. So see, you are my enemy. Amanda tells me that I am her enemy. See here, this is in present, so no change of tense. You, me. Me is objective and as per the use, it will be subjective I. I am her. What is her? Amanda. है ना? Amanda. So I am her enemy. Clear? Amanda says to me, you are my enemy. I am my will be her. Clear? I think you are getting. If there is any problem, without hesitation, leave your comments in the comment box. This is compulsory to all of you. If you are not going to tell me your problems, how shall I make your doubts clear? So doubt clearance is also required. See, Frank said he was absent yesterday. Now here past. If reporting verb is in past, there will be change of tense. I think you get it very well. Every change will be applied here. Frank said that he was absent yesterday. He will be he. There is no change in third person. Third person, he, they, these are third person, she. He was will be changed into had been. Okay. So he had been absent yesterday. it will be the previous day or the day before. Both are applied, both are written, and both are correct. So you have to be very conscious when you are going to make a change in reporting verb in persons also. Okay. See number 4. Nancy sat to us. Sat to. It will be told. है ना? Sat to into told, says to into tells. All these things are compulsory. These are the rules that you have to follow and we have to do it. So friends, see once again. Nanny told us, Nanny sat to us, you must come today. Nanny told us, both the parts will be added by that, then us. The subjective form of us, we. है ना? Must will be changed into had to. Come into go. Today, that day. The easiest thing for all of you, please keep remember all the certain changes. Changes of tense. Then you will be able to get it. Otherwise, nothing is typical. Okay? Yes. Number 5. He will say, I am sleeping just. Will say. In future, no change. He will say that. I. He. That will be he. Am. Is. Because he is here. He is sleeping just into then. That is complete. I think there is no problem. After that, number 6. The saint sat. God is everywhere. Here we did regarding tense. Everything was here. Tense, persons, and now the other thing applied here. See, the saint sat. God is everywhere. God is everywhere. What is this? This is universal truth. Universal fact that God is everywhere. No places without God. So see, it will be very simple. The saint said that God is everywhere. In such sentences, we have to add both the parts by using that. Otherwise, not a lot of changes. Number 7. Teacher said 5 and 5 make 10. Exactly, mathematical facts. 5 and 5 never may be 9, never may be 11, 12, 13. It will be 10. So, teacher said that 5 and 5 make 10. Only added by that. Okay. Grandmother says, the sun is hot. Everyone knows that. The sun is hot. It's not cool. है ना? It's not moisture. So, this is also historical we will not say geographical facts that the sun is hot. So, today we have completed an exercise, and the exercise of that type which will provide you a variation of sentences, a variation of subject and first person and second person and third person, universal, geographical and mathematical. Everything will be here. Otherwise, I will say that after doing all these things, after such a big clarification, description, you are not going to get it. Please write in the comment box, where is your complication? Which segment, which part is not difficult, not easy to you, sorry. Which part is not easy to you, which part is difficult to you. So please write in the comment box. I am waiting for your comments, and if you have liked it, if you have seen it, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends and like. Thank you very much to give your expensive time during lockdown periods. Stay healthy, stay home. Thank you.